Now you killed her buzz. Oh, come on. It's gotta be the security guard. Keenan, you cannot do that. This is not how you play with this. Melly, come here. Meow meow. Yeah, come here. Your cheek's hanging out. Melly. Are you gonna walk? Are you gonna get going? Yeah? Yeah? Oh. Oh. Here you go. Oh. Get up. You can do it. Yeah. Oh. Where are you going? Come here. Look at you, big girl. You gotta walk over here. Meow meow.
This is my pillow.
Look at her go. Why do you want to run? You gotta walk first. Come here. Meow meow, come here. You're so good. Look at you go. You're so good. Oh, good job. You did it. Woohoo. Yeah, you just love to walk now, don't you? Wow. Yeah, so good. Look at her go. Little bubble butt. Oh, break dance.
Watch out. Watch out.
Let Sissy walk.
Sissy's trying to walk. Watch out.
Say, good job, Sissy.
Good
Aww.
ABC,
Look at her go. Melly, you're so good. You're so good. Yeah. Yay. You're so big. Give Sissy a kiss. Give her a kiss. Tell her good job.
You're gonna be here all day.
Yay.
Okay.
Yeah? Get going. No, you're not going to Mommy's room. You have to watch out for you now. Careful, Keenan. Careful. Oops. Yeah, be careful. Ah, what? Keenan, move from in front of her.
Watch out. Oh,
Keenan.
you're gonna give Sissy a boo-boo. You gotta be easy.
Let her walk. Look, here she comes. Look at her go. There she goes. You're so good. Look at her go. Go, Melly, go. Look at you. You're so good. Yeah. Look at that big girl. Yay. Come here, Mel Mel. Yeah. She's so good all of a sudden. Just whoa, so big. Look at how balanced you are. You're so good. No, she already is. What are you talking about?